In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in Zendesk Insights. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from the main Zendesk dashboard to a fully customized report that you can save and reuse. Let's start from your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons. Find the analytics icon and click on it. This section is where Zendesk groups all of your reporting and data tools. Inside Analytics, look for the button that says Take Me to Explore. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page that leads you to the main Analytics dashboard in Zendesk Explore, which is where we'll be building our custom report. When the Explore dashboard loads, focus again on the left-hand panel. Here, click on the reports icon. This is where all your existing reports live, and it's also the starting point for creating new ones. In the top right corner of the reports page, click on New Report. The page will reload and present a list of available datasets. These datasets are basically collections of data, such as tickets, calls, or chats, that you can build reports from. Scroll through the list and find the dataset that best matches what you want to analyze. Once you've found it, click on it. A drawer will slide open on the right side of the screen. In that drawer, click Start Report. After a moment, the page will reload and take you into the report editor. Inside the editor, the first thing you'll want to do is rename your report, so it's easy to recognize later. At the top, you'll see a title that currently says New Report. Click directly on that name and type in something more descriptive, like Weekly Ticket Volume, or whatever fits your use case. Now, let's get familiar with the layout. On the left panel, you'll find the controls for your metrics, columns, rows, and explosions. Metrics are the values you want to measure, like the number of tickets. Columns and rows determine how that data is arranged in your table or chart. Explosions allow you to break your data out into more detail, such as by channel or status. In the center of the screen, you'll see the visual representation of your report. As you add or adjust metrics and attributes, this preview updates so you can see exactly what your report will look like. Along the top bar of the editor, you can add filters to narrow down your data, for example, by date range, specific groups, or ticket types. Filters are great for focusing your report on the information that matters most to your team. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll see several important tools. The visualization type icon lets you switch between different chart styles such as tables, bar charts, line graphs, and more. This is useful if you want to find the clearest way to present your data. Below that, chart configuration allows you to fine-tune the appearance and layout of your chart, including labels, colors, and axes. The result manipulation section gives you options to sort, limit, or restructure your results, which can help you highlight key information. Finally, the calculations area is where you can create more advanced formulas and custom metrics if you need deeper analysis. Once you're happy with the way your report looks and the data it's showing, you're ready to save it. Go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. This stores your custom report so you can return to it later, share it with your team, or use it in dashboards. That's all there is to it. Starting from the Analytics section, opening Explore, choosing the right dataset, customizing your metrics and layout in the editor, and then saving your finished report.